The roadmap to a mobile app for enterprise e-commerce brands looks like a nightmare. If you've explored this yourself, you know what it looks like. Custom development quotes come back at $500,000 if you're lucky, and timelines stretch past a year. And DIY app builders, they weren't designed for your level of complexity. Now, there's a reason why most enterprise brands still don't have an app. Nothing seems to fit. Here's the core problem. Enterprise e-commerce sites aren't simple. You've got ERP connections, custom pricing logic, multi-currency, multi-language, and complex product configurations. Now that's true whether you're on SAP, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, Commerce Tools, or a fully custom build. Your web experience is the result of years of investment. It works, it's been tested, optimized, and built to handle your specific business requirements. Custom app development means rebuilding your entire front end for iOS and Android. That means rebuilding your complex setup in a specialized framework. It's a big deal. And that's why you get quotes of 6 to 18 months and a cost of $500,000 or more. The worst part though is after you launch. Then you're maintaining two separate platforms indefinitely. Every time your web team ships an update, your app team needs to ship the same update. That's operational overhead that never goes away. No-code e-commerce tools aren't an option for you, not for complex enterprise brands. So what actually works? The answer is surprisingly simple. Stop trying to rebuild your store as an app and convert the site that you already have. MobiLoud turns your existing site into a mobile app. Your web experience handles all the complexity. Your integrations are there. Your checkout works. The product logic is right. MobiLoud just takes that and extends it into a mobile app. When you convert your website into a native app, everything carries over. You're not rebuilding anything. You're extending what already exists into a new channel. This is the best approach for complex enterprise brands. It doesn't matter how complex your web stack is because MobiLoud isn't trying to recreate it. It's building on what you already have. There's no need to worry about integration problems or performance issues or duplicate work to keep your app and site in sync. It all works by default. It's not some template-driven no-code tool. The app is your site, with no separate app team and no parallel development track to manage. If you've been putting off a mobile app because your project scope felt too big, it doesn't have to be. With MobiLoud, you can be live in a month for less than 1% of the cost of a custom app. So head to mobiloud.com to learn more.